Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete a created rule on the desktop application Microsoft Outlook used on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. In this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook, search for this, enter to open up the application, wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, as you know in the previous tutorials, I have demonstrated to you how to create a specific rule, whether it's, let's just say, have a recipient send an email to you with an attachment that would then directly be sent to a dedicated folder for that person, and so on. So let's go to Home, go to Rules, go to Edit Rules. As you can see, we have 3 rules on screen. In order for us to delete the rule, click on the rule. Now click on minus. Are you sure you want to delete the selected rules? Yes, I am. Again, delete, and again, delete. Click on the X, let's save. We have now deleted all the created rules that were within the rules section. So we can now quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.